Layouts in DocBits allow you to customize how fields are displayed across different screens. This gives you full control over how users validate, review, approve, and work with documents, tailored exactly to your business process. To edit layouts, go to Settings, open Document Types, select Edit Layout. From here, you can design layouts for field validation. Each screen can have its own layout. Layouts can be defined in two ways. Default layouts will apply to all origins unless specifically overridden. With the origin-specific layout, each origin can have its own layout for the same document type. This allows you to tailor the layout depending on where the document came from, such as email, API, or different supplier channels. This flexibility makes it possible to display fields differently for different workflows or departments. The Layout Builder lets you create layouts visually by dragging and arranging fields. The Fields panel shows all fields available for the document type, including custom fields. These fields can be dragged onto the layout grid. The layout grid is where you design and customize your layout. Here, you can create sections or groups, arrange fields within those groups, move fields freely, combine standard and custom fields. This helps structure the screen logically, such as invoice details, payment information, totals, tax details. You can add additional elements, such as text, labels, checkboxes, buttons. These give you more control over how information is displayed and organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos on our YouTube channel.